Okay, hello everyone. I've just received these two second-hand padlocks from eBay. A couple of quid each. This one is a Rawson, and this is a Marksman Premium Tools. Basically, I was messing about with them, and these things are so bad. I mean, this is locked. Literally as locked as I can make it, and all you do is I went to pick it and so that's your Rawson, lovely padlock, and this one Marksman, exactly the same. So that's basically unpickable because as soon as you tension it, it opens itself. So you lock your shop up or your garage or whatever, and someone comes and sticks a lolly stick in it and opens it. So there are the two keys. Terrible bidding, but they don't even lock. Anyway, that was a waste of money. Comment, subscribe and like. Thank you. Bye.